You sick today, Kev? You don't seem sick. Oh. Oh my goodness. How come you're not wearing any clothes? Is it because you pooped so many times? Mommy stopped putting clothes on you? Yes, it is. She said, why would I put clothes on him? He's just going to poop through them. Right? All right. I hope you feel better, Kevin. Good to hear.